Hey guys, Mike here at Russ Darrow Mitsubishi. I'm just giving you what the vehicle offerings are for the year-round Wisconsin living people as to what will do good in the winter, what will do good in the summer, and honestly, most of the vehicles that we have here go from trucks with 4x4 already in them. We've got several Mitsubishis with super all-wheel control available on them as well. So it'll do good for the winter time. These Eclipse Crosses right here are probably some of the best options. As far as for the winter time, they'll do great. The super all-wheel control on them is really good, so you'll have full control of the vehicle for most of the winter time. Then we also got several Outlanders, Outlander Sports, also come equipped with the super all-wheel control. So in the winter time, you'll have no problem getting through all the slushy times and super deep snow and things of that nature. If you guys have any questions or want to come and see any of these vehicles here, give us a call at 262-506-3150. We'd be happy to help you out. Some of these even have 0% offers. A lot of discount incentives as well, so please reach out to us quick because these things are going fast. Thank you guys, have a great day.